Contenders, show to us your rear back double biceps. Rear back double bicep. Guys, tingnan niyo yung bicep nila habang nakatalikod. Flex. Hold. Relax. Ang letter B. Sige, magmumukhang panikid yan. Sino, ladies and gentlemen, yung B na B? Our wellness is continuing. Keep on flexing. Tiga. Tiga. Relax. Catch your breath. Catch your breath. Prepare for the next pose. Check naman natin guys yung kanilang mga dibdib. Who has the best chest? Contenders, show to us